Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We are Lightstrade live stream channel, and we are on live show now.
Yeah.
We want to present your company and your products to our viewers behind the screen. So, first, would you please give us a brief introduction about your company?
Okay, this way. I will show you our company.
Oh, you can hold this one.
Okay, thank you. First, I will introduce our company. We are all company since 2011.
Okay.
Okay, and we are company is a JP Learning Protection Technology, and we got the ISO 9001 system quality system, and also get the ISO 14001 environment system. Environment system. Okay. We are products got a UL, TUV, CB, CE, CQC certificate. Okay. So we also according to European laws, environment requirement. Okay, next I will show you our product. Okay, this way. This area is our product suit for European market, and we got TUV, CB, and CE certificate. We are SPD have a 10 kV and 20 kV protection level. And we are connection also have a different size suited for different LED lights space. Okay, so we have a small one size, and always also have a bigger one size, suited for because the LED lights, the light have a different size.
Yes.
So we should.
You have a certain standard size, or you can also customize size based on the needs.
Yes. We also have a LED indicator to show the function is normal or is damaged. If it damaged, is will turn off the LED lights.
Oh.
Okay. This area's SPD is suited for European market.
European market.
Yeah. Also for the China market, we got a CQC certificate. Yeah. And
So is Europe your biggest market?
Sorry?
Is Europe your biggest market?
Yes. And the South American market, we got a UL certificate, UL 1449. Yeah, this is for UL market. The South of America and the North of American customer like
is necessary to be exported to the
so we are products normally suited for the whole world because the SPD is the customer right now he recognize the social impact the LED driver the damage the quantity is get bigger and bigger, so they recognize install the SPD install of the power supply, so it can protection the LED drivers. Okay, any questions?
So you just know you have a general introduction about your products. I see you many exports to European and US market, right?
Yeah.
So do you also sell them to the domestic market?
Domestic goods.
China market.
Yes, normally we are 19 or 90.
19 or 90?
90.
90%.
Therefore, we sell to the China LED street light factory. after they install in their lights, they export to the Europe, overseas.
Okay,
overseas. Yes.
So you must have some supplies exhibiting.
We have a lot
Okay.
in other area. So I will
Okay.
show you our test machine there
Okay,
over there.
go.
This is our test machine. This is the SPD. Normally we will set up 10,000 or 20,000 voltage. Inspect the SPD line. 这灯怎么不亮啊？ So like this. This machine.
Yeah.
Inspect the 10,000 voltage from here to here. First we inspect our SPD, then we are SPD 我 handling the 10 kV power. After our SPD release the engine, then can protect the LED drivers. Yes. Then so if surge come from the cables, or where SPD can protect your LED drivers, and LED drivers will not damaged. So like this. So this is SPD's function, protection of LED driver. So your LED lights can have more lives, can further on maybe 5 years, 10 years.
You should have a big need for this product in the market, right?
Yes.
Because there are so many lighting companies lighting products.
Yes.
Are they all need this lightning protection, or just for some particular products?
Let me say like this. The most LED street light factory, they will suggest the customer install a SPD in their lamps, because this is can ensure your LED lights can
Have longer lifespan.
Yes, long. The quality will be higher.
More
Yes,
stable.
yeah. Must get more level.
Oh,
Yeah, like
okay.
this. So most the European customer and the American and customer, they will require their supplier install SPD inside their street light. Yeah.
Just the price will be a little higher than the ones that don't install those.
Can ensure will not complain from a customer. They will get more order.
Yeah.
Yes.
The quality is the basis.
Yeah, the quality will get more stable.
Yeah.
Like this.
Where is your factory?
We have factory location in Dongguan. Dongguan Liaobu town. Yes.
The next time when the foreign buyers can come to China, they can visit your factory.
Yes. We will welcome them to visit us.
How many workers do you have?
48.
48.
Yes.
What is your monthly output?
Sorry.
Monthly output.
Monthly output at least 16,000. 16,000. Yes. 16,000.
So how about the delivery time? Delivery time for those.
Normally 5,000. We just 3 or 5 days can.
5 days.
3 to 5 days.
3 to 5 days.
3 to 5 days we can finish. Yeah. Production is faster, and because we have a automatic machine to check all the components, and automatic to production. Normally half automatic, like that.
How about the warranty?
Yes, 5 years.
5 years.
Yes, 5 years. 5 years. All our products is we have a 5 years warranty.
Okay. Thank you very much. And do you feel the impact of the COVID on your sales this year?
Yes.
Is it big or just a little?
For us, it's not how to say, not too big, just a little, but
A little. Is it getting better? This year it's getting better.
it's getting better compared after last year. It's getting better.
Oh, better than last year.
Compared to last year, yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
You
Thank you,
see,
interview.
Maybe we have some potential buyers are watching our live stream channel. So do you have something particular want to say to our buyers?
Yeah.
Or maybe you can just share your thoughts on which one. Share your thoughts on your company's biggest strength to our buyers. What is the biggest advantage of your company?
Advantage.
Yes.
For our company. Sorry, I can.
最大的优势。
最大优势 we got the because we are product suited for can say like that we product suited for all world. So we get the
Full certificate.
Yeah. We got a lot of certificate. So means our quality is not bad. Yeah, not bad.
Quality can be guaranteed.
Yeah, quality is good.
No way.
Yes,
How about the customer service? After sales service.
Service.
Yes.
Because we
you have a service team to follow up the orders. You have a service team to follow up the orders.
Yeah. Because no, to be honest, we from this year just get a few, just one or two complaints from our customers.
Oh.
Not the product the quality, just the workmanship, just a little bit, the other things, not the product quality.
Okay, so I see your products are very good reliability, high quality standard.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I feel a little bit nervous. Maybe my English is not so good.
Your English is okay. You are explaining well.
This is my first time interview, so I feel a little bit nervous.
You're doing very good.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.
And hope you have a big success in this lighting exhibition.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay, let's go. Okay, this company is a ZP Lightning Protection, and they mainly produce lightning protection products, and the products are mainly applied in the street light. It can provide protection for the LED drivers.